What can be done about the climate crisis? There are many ways to address the climate crisis on a large scale. For example, you could paint 2% of the Earth's surface white. This would reflect a lot of light, making it cooler here on Earth. You could also create a veil of gas around the Earth. That would reflect a lot of sunlight, just like large solar mirrors. Or also remove CO2 from the atmosphere. However, all these points also have major drawbacks. White paint, for example, is usually toxic and its production causes CO2. Gas veils would need to be renewed annually. If you don't do that, a hole would tear in the veil. As a result, all the accumulated heat would pour down on that one spot on Earth, causing a sudden warming of the Earth's surface. Solar mirrors are extremely expensive and very difficult to build. Moreover, they can be destroyed very quickly by the sun or by other asteroids. If you were to remove CO2 from the atmosphere, it would take an extremely long time. It would be super expensive and would require an enormous amount of energy. That's why all these ideas are not a real solution. Instead, each of you can contribute to climate protection on a small scale. Upcycling. Upcycling is when someone turns something old into something new. For example, a few cans into a handbag. We have provided you with a few pictures for this. Instead of just throwing things away, even if they are not broken, you should use them again. Instead of being driven to school by car, you should ride a bicycle to school.